Hello friends, welcome to Ielts Mate. Let us have a quick look on the vocabulary I have for you today. First word is castigate, and the meaning is to criticize and reprimand severely. And the reprimand word also means to punish. So, in short, castigate means to punish. It is a verb, and we can use it in writing task too in all the essays of crime where we want to say that criminals committing serious crimes must be awarded severe castigation. Here I have said awarded instead of must be given or should be given, because when we are talking about punishment, we don't say to give punishment to a criminal, we say award punishment or must be awarded with severe castigation sentences. Here I have used the word castigation also, and it is a noun. For punish we'll use castigate, and for punishment we'll not use castigate, we'll use castigation. So it depends upon what we want to write, whether we want to write punish or we want to write the noun punishment. Similarly, erudition word is also very important and commonly used in the place of the word education. And knowledge, the meaning is knowledge acquired by study. We also know that when we study something and gather knowledge, that knowledge is known as our education. And here we can replace this word by erudition. So it is basically the synonym of the word education. Erudition is the synonym of education, and the meaning is knowledge acquired by study, research, learning, or scholarship. Through any of these methods, if we get some knowledge, we can replace the word by erudition. Fourth word is to emancipate, and it is a verb, and the meaning is to set free or to release or to liberate. It can be used in any way, like if we are relieving a person from a duty, responsibility, or we are setting a person free from the restrictions which were earlier imposed on that person, then we can say that we are emancipating that person. So it is also a verb, and the second and third form is emancipated and emancipated. This can also be converted into noun, emancipation. But when we are going to use it as an action, in an action form, we will take emancipate. If we are taking the process form, emancipation means the act of setting free, and then we will take emancipation. Otherwise we'll use the action form emancipate. The word contemplate means to think, विचार करना, गंभीरता से सोच विचार करना on any topic, on any article we are reading. It can be anything on which we are thinking deeply. In Hindi we can say चिंतन करना किसी चीज़ का गंभीरता से, to contemplate, and you also use this upon with it. For example, I am contemplating upon the possibilities of success of this particular idea. I'm thinking upon the possibilities of success. So in place of think, we can use this word contemplate, and can be used while rephrasing the questions in writing. And if the word think is given in the question, we can change it by rephrasing it using the word contemplate. The word egregious means outstandingly bad. Here it means extraordinary, but in a negative sense. So if something is extraordinary bad, something is in a negative sense extraordinary, in a particular quality is extraordinary but the quality is negative, then we can say egregious. For example, like if a person had to suffer very bad or serious abuse from, like if a girl had to suffer abuse from her parents or in-laws or anybody, then we can say that he or she had to suffer egregious abuse. Egregious abuse. Ponderous means having great weight or weight. If something is quite heavy, or we can say very heavy, then we use this word ponderous in place of heavy. Next is boisterous, and the meaning is noisy, energetic. We have seen children making extreme noise, and generally they are of this nature that they are habitual or hardwired for making noise. So if any person be be he or she a children or a youngster who is quite noisy or makes very loud noise, we can say that the person is boisterous. And not only for person, we can use it for events and behavior as well. So he is boisterous, he shows boisterous behavior, or the party was boisterous. All are correct. Mishap, the word is mishap, and this has been derived from the word mishappening. It's a noun and the meaning is unfortunate accident. Yesterday I encountered a mishap, means I encountered means I faced a mishap means unfortunate accident. Next is grapple. Grapple means to struggle, and it is also a verb. The word struggle is used in writing task 2 so many times. Next time we will use this word grapple, and it is a verb in second and third form is grappled and grappled, and we can also change it using the present continuous tense, saying grappling instead of struggling. Hiatus means break. We have writing task 2 on the gap year or the break, 1 year break students take after study, in which they either travel or they do job. Then we can use this word hiatus instead of saying break or gap again and again. Succor means to help or to give assistance to anybody who is suffering, to anybody who is in trouble, in pain. So instead of help, then we can use this word succor. It is also a verb. Succored, succored, and succoring are its forms. Thank you.